Now we got the sample, so let's try to flip this. So let's bump up the BPM. But before we dive into the video, I want to thank Loopcloud for sponsoring this video. Loopcloud and Waves partnered up to offer a crazy deal, so I'm here to tell you guys about it. As y'all know, Loopcloud is a powerful sampling tool created by Loopmasters, featuring over 4 million royalty-free samples and 2 built-in instruments, drum and play. Recently, they refreshed it and custom designed to help you find the perfect sounds for your music. It's optimized to work fast and efficient for your inspiration, just to flow. It's a really great tool, bro. It covers like all the different genres as well, like trap, EDM, all that good stuff. If you sign up to Loopcloud right now, you'll be able to download classic Renaissance reverb from Waves all for free until the 16th of January. The best part of this deal is that you don't need to commit to anything. They got a 14-day free trial for you to test out and check out, so no obligations obviously, but make sure to go check it out. Let's get back into the video. That's what I'm talking about. That's that special, unique shit. I'm loving this. I want like 2 patterns with the half time. So like this. beat is super unique. It's different. It's different. I'm telling you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you especially learned from this. I'm gonna play the full beat in a second. Make sure to check out the drum sounds that I'm using in the link in the description. Also, this theme is available in the description as well if you want to grab it. As always, I'm active on social media as well and on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok at @beats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.